boyfriend. This is so sad. Someone wife me up and take me on dates. Don't judge me. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, we are doing I guess like a closet clean out, trying on all my clothes in my closet. I just need to declutter. I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed that I get clothes sent to me, but I overconsume too much stuff. So I usually go through my closet honestly every month just to get rid of stuff. Also, things go out of style. I just don't wear it that often. I usually rotate through like my normal clothes. So I need to just get rid of things that I don't wear, that I like am holding on to that I don't need to. So we're gonna go through my closets. I know, I know. But we're gonna go through this room first. I have my actual bedroom, which is like my kind of day-to-day clothes, and then this room, which is like my more like fancier, I guess, fits. So we're gonna go through it, try on some stuff, see what I like, see what I don't like, what I'm gonna keep. So here's the closet. Here we are. It is here. So we'll start on this side. Also, it's kind of a mess, but just ignore it. We're not gonna talk about it, okay? This is also mostly jackets, so we're gonna figure that out. Okay, some of these are new, so I'm gonna just not even try the ones on. This I got. Also, should I start a Depop, or is that what it's called? Depop or Poshmark to like sell my clothes? Because I usually take it to Plato's, but I don't know how to use like Poshmark and like Depop and all that. But if you guys are interested in it, I will definitely put it on there. I'll make them like super cheap, but let me know, because then I'll figure out how to start one. But we're just gonna try these things on. See, this is so cute. I just don't, guys, I'm like, I don't go out enough to like have these nice clothes. Like I always say that I don't go out enough. I don't go out enough to have all these nice clothes because they're just sitting in my closet. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't go on dates. I don't go out. Like I'm a homebody. But this is so cute. Like I can't get rid, like this I feel like is the perfect fall jacket with like a skirt or like I just can't get rid of it. We're keeping it. Don't judge me. Another one, we have this faux leather. Okay, this is cute. See, I'm like, do I get rid of this because it's now summer? The thing is, I live in Canada, so we actually go through all the seasons, and so I can't just get rid of like my winter stuff in summer even though I want to. She's cute. Do I keep her? Okay, I'll keep it, and if I don't wear it next season, then I'll give it away. This, which is so cute, but again, I don't go out, so I'm like, where am I gonna wear this? I don't know if this is maybe depressed because I'm just reminding myself of how much I don't go out, or like, do I need to push myself to go out more? Next, we have this set. It's actually a skirt set, which I think it's so cute. I have worn it for a video. I haven't like worn it out. Again, I don't go out, but I think it's so cute. Like it's all sparkly. The jacket has short sleeves, and I think it's supposed to be like that. Like I generally do. Like you're supposed to like kind of roll it up or like some shit like that. But like, I'm like, where am I gonna wear this? But I think this is so cute. And I'm like, oh, could I wear this for like Stampede this year? Do I wait to wear it? Me, I'm like, I'll be outside in the summer. Like, do I just keep it? And then if I don't wear it by the end of the season, then give it away? Because it is cute. Like, imagine this with like cowboy boots. Okay, well now I just convinced myself to keep it. Like, why would I do that? I have a lot of denim jackets, and I'm like, do I need that many? Probably not, but they're for different things. I can't get rid of this. It's a staple. Also, this actually looks cute just like this. Okay. Period. Me, I'm like giving myself outfit ideas. I'm like, I love this color. I haven't worn this actually, but she's really cute. Maybe, guys, I think I just need to go out. I think I need a boyfriend. This is so sad. I need to go, no, I just need to go out more. Let me not be an inside little hermit. Let me be outside. Who am I kidding? No. This cropped like style, but I'm like, am I kind of over the cropped distressed style? Kind of, a little bit. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side. I have this black one, which I think this is my only black crop one. See, she's cute, but also is it like washed out? I have a really hard time letting go of things because I'm like, I could wear this for this occasion. When has this occasion come? Never. Okay, this is the next set here. I haven't worn this. It is such a cute set, but I just don't think I'm gonna wear it. It is a skirt set. If you like this and think I should put open up a Poshmark, let me know. But she's really cute. I just don't think I will wear it. So far we got one. Okay. Fall jacket. So I'm like, and this is newer. So I'm not gonna get rid of it. Sorry. See, this is similar to the last one. So I'm like, do I need both? Are very different. Like, do you see the vibe of this one is different? I don't really have brown jackets like this. This is also really nice quality. It's from Gap. Fall. This is fall time. It's not really, I mean, it could be spring actually. I just don't wear it enough because I don't go out. Someone wife me up and take me on a date. No, I'm just kidding. Someone proposed to me. No, I'm kidding. So I went through a phase of like racing jackets and stuff, but I'm like, I feel like I'm low-key out of that phase. They're so cute. I love them, but like, am I really into them? Because I haven't worn these. And the racing jackets that I do own, they're like authentic. Should I open a Poshmark? I feel like I will be more happy doing Poshmark. But like, see, this is so cute, but also like, I don't know. Do I like her? Also, these look very similar. Like, I feel like I can't have both. Like, I need to get rid of one and the other. I like how this one's like a faux leather though. Like, it gives better quality. This is cute too. And the thing is, I'll wear these when I go to car shows. I'm supposed to be getting rid of clothes, not convincing myself to keep it. Also, you guys let me know if I should keep something or leave it. This one is actually one of my favorites, so I actually don't think I can get rid of it. This one's actually my favorite. But I feel like I just don't really like the super cropped jackets in this style anymore. We have this, but again, I have so many of them. I haven't reached for it, and I think I've had this in my closet for like 2 years. I think it's time to part ways because I haven't worn it. We have this. I was kind of debating giving this away, but clearly I cannot give it away. I will wear it this season for fall. But this one, I just don't see myself wearing it. This jacket here, which I love this. It's like kind of like a Kylie like outfit dupe, but it's from Fashion Nova. Hello. Okay, I actually cannot get rid of this because I think this might be like the cutest like faux leather jacket. This is new in my collection. I actually don't have anywhere to go. Like, this is such a fancy jacket, and it's now springtime. Oh, hello. Okay, this time, imagine me going on a date in this in the winter, or is it giving Narnia? Is it giving Narnia? I'm gonna go in the forest. I'm gonna go in my closet. I have two of almost the exact same jacket, but I think this is the one I'm keeping. I definitely like the other one better because this one just doesn't, it's not giving as much. Okay, I also have this, which is very similar, but it's more like a dress shirt faux leather. I feel like this is like a classy piece. Like, this one's more like, this is good for the winter, so I think I'm gonna keep it. We're getting into the denim again. I like this, but I've worn this and I haven't worn it since. So I'm like, should I get rid of it? Should I keep this or not? I'll put it in the maybe pile. So we have this here. See, you can't even go wrong with this. This is such an easy throw on type of fit. Like, do I need both? No. But do I want both? Yes. I was thinking of giving this one away, but I lied. I'm a liar. Now we got t-shirts. So these are basically the same, but this is new and this quality is a lot better than this one. So I'm gonna keep this one and give this away. I don't even have to try it on. Okay, the rest of these are jerseys. I feel like these are good for the summer though, because I can wear these to the gym. I've been waiting to wear these. Maybe I'll wear this today. Yep, I already know what I'm wearing today. The infamous Shrek outfit. I love this. I love it. It's been in my closet for 3 years though, and I've never worn it. It's a skirt, which is so adorable. Like, guys, it looks so cute on. I haven't worn it though at all. I wore it for a video and that was it. Like, I think it's still, I've never worn it, just for a video. And it's so cute, but I'm like, am I gonna wear this ever? Probably not. Guys, we went through my whole closet. You don't even want to see the ground right now. This is just the closet. We have to still go through the drawers, which here, and then my other closet. I'll show you guys my floor though. So, yeah. Also, that's the basket, the giveaway basket. This is also new clothes. I know, so we're gonna hang these back up and reorganize them, and yeah. Don't wear this denim jacket that much, so I'm actually gonna give her away. So progress. Hello.
I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow. Somewhere in the great unknown.
Alright y'all, we are switching locations now. I have a chest of drawers here and I don't know if you can see because of the light. Hold on. Also, if you can hear sounds, I have my window open. I'm so sorry. It is so hot in here, but I need to. There we go. I'm on the ground. Hi. We're gonna go through some of the stuff in here. Like, first of all, the scarf. I haven't even worn it. I don't think I'm gonna wear it. These are my teenage shorts. I think I'm gonna give these away because I didn't even wear them last year. I've had this shirt since I think 11th grade. Yep, 2016. Yep, 2016, 11th grade. And this is when I went to the Nick and Demi concert. Oh my god, this was peak era for me. I can't get rid of this though because this is literally just like, this is gold. This is a souvenir. This is antique. I bought this off of Etsy for her concert and I actually did wear this for the concert. But it's a happier than ever. I'm not gonna wear it again. It's been in this drawer and I haven't worn it. So we're gonna give it away. We have in here skirts and shorts. I unfortunately think I do have to try these on. So that's great. Hey. I thought that was someone there, but it was my mirror. Oh, see, yeah, I cut these myself. Oh, yeah, they're actually even too big for me. But these shorts are baggy. I have these cargo skirts from last year. We're gonna try it on. If these don't fit me, I'm actually going to scream. Wait, that's actually crazy. Well, this I'm going to actually give away. These are ugly. I have this plaid skirt, which I think it's so cute, but I also feel like I'm 25 now, so I just maybe no. I have a bunch of shirts that I wore last year that I just won't wear again. It's my Shayla! My Shayla! My Shayla! My Shayla, you smell like food. Alright, we're gonna go through my gym clothes now because honestly, like half of them don't fit me or I just don't wear them. So these are like really tight where I'm not gonna wear them. Well, the mess that's in here, I'm definitely not cleaning it up today, so it's gonna sit here. I'll show you guys. I'll clean it up later, just not right now. But oh my god. And it goes on. Hold on. It's here. Could this area possibly send me into a spiral? Yes, because we are trying on jeans today. Jeans are actually my worst nightmare. I hate trying them on. I hate looking at them. I wear the same like 2 pairs of jeans because every other jean makes me feel. I already know these jeans I'm gonna give away because they're really big. I also don't love the pockets on the back. These I do. These still have a tag on it. Okay, see, these are cute. They're like baggy. I think I just need to wear them a few times to wear them in. These ones I'll give away because they're almost the same wash as this. These are huge on me. It's crazy because they used to fit me really tight, but I'm gonna turn these into shorts for sure now because they're just really big. Are now moving into my Abercrombie jeans, which I love, but also like I have a love-hate relationship with them. So we're gonna try them on. Oh, I actually do like these. I will keep these. Also, I get low-rise jeans at Abercrombie because my torso is really short. So these sit mid-waist for me. These were my favorite Abercrombie jeans. They don't even make this color anymore. These are the dad high-rise. I don't even think they fit me. Guys, these fit me, y'all. These jeans, which I recently got these last fall, but I actually don't like the color of them. And honestly, looking back in photos that I wore these in, I hated them. These are cute, but I don't like the rips in them. Hold on. They look okay, but then these are the same. This is the last Abercrombie jean, which these are plain ones. I like these. These might be my favorite. These are my favorite pair of jeans that I'm wearing right now. And I like them better than these ones, like color-wise and fit-wise. So I'm gonna keep the ones with no rips. Also, these have like the knee rips. So I'm gonna give these ones away and keep these. I'm back with an outfit change and I just ate some food. I'm tired. I'm gonna go through this fast. I'm not gonna try on everything because I don't need to. It was just the jeans and then the other room that I need to try stuff on. This one's pretty easy. This is like sweats and hoodies and like pajamas and stuff. So I'm a hoodie hoarder. I'm known as a hoodie hoarder. I love my hoodies. I also live in Canada, guys. Like, can you really blame me? Maybe. We have these here. Again, I'm known as keeping things as souvenirs when I don't need to, and I know this. First, we have this sweater. I've not worn this since 2018. and that is literally when I got it. It is my Playlist Live hoodie, and it's tie-dye. If that isn't 2018 on brand, I don't know what is. But I think it's time I part ways. I haven't worn it. It's sitting, collecting dust in my closet. I love Billy. You guys know I will always love Billy, okay? I'm a Billy stan. But I have two expensive hoodies up there that I have, and I have this one, and it's happier than, I actually don't know even where I got this. Did I get this from H&M? But it's a happier than ever, and I just don't wear it, so I'm gonna give it away. We also have this one. It says thanks for nothing. It's from Fashion Nova. I've worn it. I've used and abused it. I'm over it. So we have this here. It was my favorite hoodie. It is a Tennessee oversized. Do I keep her? She's still cute. I think I should wear this to the gym. Who cares if she's bright? I love her. She is so cute. And this is like the perfect oversize. Also, like the thickness of it, I'm keeping it. Sorry. Oh, we're gonna give this away. I love it, but I just don't wear it that much. This one I can give away. I have one really similar to it, and I've worn this, and I got my time out of it. I got these this year, and I didn't wear them once. I'm such an impulsive buyer, and this year I'm really trying to be better with not doing that. These sweatpants I'm gonna give away because I just don't reach them. I don't reach for them. I don't wear them, so we're gonna give those away. And then these are new, so I'm gonna keep these. These are so comfy for winter, so I'm gonna keep those. These are all my pajama shorts that I just don't really wear that much, so we're gonna give those away. Guys, I'm an anime Inuyasha girly, so we will be keeping this because she's so cute. Guys, that was that. We actually did pretty well, I would say so. We have a huge pile here. Okay, I'll show you guys the mess, but like, don't judge. Okay, we have this on my bed. Keep. This is keep as well. Ground is all my jeans. We're not even gonna talk about that. And then this, hold on. This is the giveaway pile, which is really good. I'm really happy with it. And which I'm really happy with. I feel like I decluttered a lot, which is what I wanted. And I really wanted to go through my jeans because I just felt like I had a lot of unnecessary clothes and just things I was holding on to that I didn't need to. Like I said, these are all materialistic things. I'm so grateful and blessed that I'm able to, but I just collect a lot of stuff and I need to learn to let go of it when I'm not using it. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if I should open up a Poshmark or what's the other one? Depop, whatever it is. Because if you guys want stuff, I will definitely put it on there, and yeah, then you guys can have the stuff because half of these things are new. But I hope you guys liked it. This is just like a quick little reset, kind of a filler video. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I love y'all. Don't forget to love yourself. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace out, scouts. Bye.